How to clean storage on Likee app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to clean storage on Likee app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Likee. Once you are here, click on those three lines, click on setting. Now you're gonna find clean storage. In here you can clean your storage. Click on all if you want to clear all, or you can select live cache, stickers, chunk files, other magic, super mix cache. You can clear all this cache. Click on clean, and like you see, cleaned. Now this is it, guys. You can clean also from the setting if you want, from your phone setting. Don't forget to subscribe and like if this video was helpful to you.